goodness, I'm excited.
Oh, yeah. Come on, Benzo.
Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with a quick short video. And this is basically my stepmom's new Mercedes. It's a 250 class, you know what year it was?
2016.
It's a 2016 class 250 and she's very excited about this car. So, you know, I had to surprise her with something for Christmas. It's now January, I'm a little late on that, but either way, we installing it today. It's a pretty nice car, but it's missing just a little bit of pizzazz. Yes, pizzazz. By the way, this is my dad recording the camera, so he's the camera guy. Yeah. But this car is missing a little bit of pizzazz and a little bit of her personality. You'll find out later what I mean by her personality. And what we got right here is, you can't really see with the sticker being in the way, but it's door lights. And basically what it is, whenever you open up the door, the light comes on. And what you do is, you stick this part to the door that opens up. So we'll stick it on, probably like right in here, maybe a little bit closer up front, and then we'll stick the little magnet right here. Let me open up the door some more, and we'll stick the little magnet part right here, so whenever the door shuts, it turns off, and whenever the door opens, it comes on. So yep, it should be a quick and easy install. Shouldn't take no longer than 5 minutes on each side, just because we got to wipe down it with some alcohol, make sure it dries completely, and then add the tape on there. Let's go ahead and get started with it. Alright, first thing you want to do is, you want to make sure this is the side for the driver's side, or this is the side for the passenger side. So you turn it on. I think it takes 3 AAA batteries. So pretty common battery. If you can read it, it's probably the right side. So if it's like this, it's probably the other way. So you want it like this. I'm probably going to put it somewhere where I know that she probably would look for water at. So when you shut the door, it's probably like going to be like right here, because most people, whenever they get out the car, they put their foot right there. So it's going to be somewhere towards the middle, right in this area. And also what you want to do is, when you figure out where you want to put it at, figure out where you want to put this magnet at. So we're going to have to shut the door all the way. And I know you can't really see it, but I can see the lip part of where it's going to be at. So whenever I shut the door, this much is showing. So I'm gonna put the magnet pretty much right there. You also don't want to put it somewhere where if they step on it or kick it, it will move out the way. You can also put it on the side too. So I'm probably gonna end up doing that. But let's go ahead and wipe it down with some alcohol pads. We gotta wipe this down with some alcohol pads because we gotta put sticky tape on there, which is 3M tape. That should be it. Okay, so as you can see, I put the 3M tape on there. Now there's 2 different sides. There's one side with just the yellow pad, and this side goes to the actual product. The 3M side goes to the actual body of the car. I also did it on the magnet too. So make sure the 3M side actually go to the car. because it's the strongest side. We went ahead and did both of them, knocked both of those out. With this kit, it also gives you an extra magnet side just in case you mess up on it or something like that. They also offer other different types of car brands. So it's not just Mercedes. We just got Mercedes now because she got Mercedes. But let's go ahead and install these real quick. Let's go ahead and wipe off where we're gonna put it at. So we're just gonna put it right around here. And I don't know if you can tell, but you see how this door got a little textured finish to it? That's what I'm talking about the 3M tape. The 3M tape can adhere to this. We're gonna let that dry. It's gonna take a couple seconds to dry. And then we'll stick it on there.
A few moments later.
Peel off the tape and just stick it on there. All right, now that we got it on, just make sure everything is still strong. You can shut the door and it doesn't fly off. And what I'm doing is I'm setting up where I want the magnet to be. It's kind of a tight area, but we can get it. I don't know if you can tell, but it's off right now. You can't really see it. If I move the magnet, it comes on. So that's where I'm gonna put it at. Let me find the spot again. That's where I'm gonna put it at. Wipe it really good and let it dry completely. Alright, and we're gonna stick it right there in the spot.
The light turns off by itself after a while?
Yeah, if you leave the door open, I guess it turns off by itself. So it don't run the battery down either. Or when you shut the door, it resets it.
Alright.
There you go. It's on. And you shut the door, it turns back off. You open the door, it comes back on.
Alright.
Let's go ahead and get her reaction. Let's go ahead and fast forward to that. You ready?
Oh, snap.
Hold on, wait a minute. Yeah, you gotta get the full effect.
Yeah.
Let's just point this one up so we can still have some. Okay.
Okay. Are you ready? Oh my goodness, I'm excited. Oh, yeah. Come on, Benzo. Oh my God, that is nice. And so I just close it and it goes off. Oh my God, what kind of car do I drive? Oh, thank you, Darius.
See what I'm talking about her reaction?
Yes, love it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I like that. I like that.
Made her whole year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you see it? Duh, you seen it. Okay. That's nice. I like that. That's nice. Oh, that's fan. Oh man, that's cold. Hey.
I feel like you're just gonna come out here and open your door and shut.
I am. When everybody else goes to sleep. I am. And then I'm gonna turn the radio up.
Alright guys, we're done with the video now. We did both sides. Did the driver's side, the passenger side. And from her reaction, you see that she liked it. So that's a plus in my book. Also, if you interested in this, they make other products. They don't make just the Mercedes-Benz. They also make Ford. They also make Mustang, Hellcat, Camaro, Dodge, whatever you want. So if you want to modernize your car, click in the link below and you can just check them out and see what kind you might want for your car. But that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next video.